Hello guys, welcome back to Morningstar. In this video I'll be explaining about a trade that we took on the let me look at the date, 5th of March 2021, and you can see here towards the top left corner of the screen that the name of the stock is Granules India. Okay, I'll explain the logic behind this trade, and I'll also explain why we decided to get in and the target as well. So you can see here the name of the stock is Granules India. Now, in the day time frame, the stock has shown a good pattern, I would say. At the bottom, you'll be able to draw a horizontal line, and you'll be able to see something like 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections at the bottom line, the horizontal line, and at the top, it has been creating a pattern like this. Okay, I'll be able to draw this trend line here. I'll remove it now. I'll draw it back. You'll be able to see that it has tested this trend line at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on the 7th time it was able to give a breakout. And this is a proper breakout as well. You can see here the volume traded on that particular day on the 3rd of March 2021 was 10.44 million units of stock. Okay, so that is a proper breakout. Now we won't enter here, right? We won't enter right at the breakout. We won't enter even on the next day. Actually, I would have entered on the 4th of March, but I decided to wait. I don't know, it was just a gut feeling. I decided to wait here. And on the 5th of March, there was some sell-off in Nifty. What happened? The price came down a bit. Okay, there was a pullback. And now, for the entry purpose, we'll switch over to a lower time frame. I'll switch over to the 1 hour time frame here. And you'll be able to see the same trend line here. See how beautifully it has tested this trend line. In the 1 hour time frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, and it gave a breakout. Now, it broke out of this trend in this candle, right? With this candle, the 1 hour candle. We won't enter here. Now, as the market was down that day, I saw something like, after the market was like, after some sort of dumping happened, the stock retested the trend line that we had drawn, retested it, and it was going back up. And this is exactly where I entered. At 347 rupees, I entered, and we will be able to set the target as well, guys. I'll explain the logic behind the target. You'll be able to, if you entered at 347, you'll be able to book something like 15% in the stock, because see, if you draw a horizontal line here, okay, if you draw a horizontal line here, 1, 2, 3, 4 times it tested, it broke above that horizontal line, the resistance. Now it couldn't sustain, the price couldn't sustain above that point, and it came back down. So this would be a good exit, I would say. So as you can see, if you entered, I think it's still time for entry, because the stock has not moved upward of 350 rupees. So if you switch over to the 1 hour time frame, and when the markets reopen on Monday, you'll be able to enter somewhere here, and the exit would be like I explained previously. Here you'll be able to exit. So even if you entered somewhere around 350 rupees, you'll be able to book something like 13%, which is not that bad of a return, considering I believe this stock will test the support, the resistance up here pretty soon. So anyway, let us see how this works out. So like I always say, guys, this is not a stock recommendation or a financial advice or a call of any sort. So please follow or subscribe to this channel, and show some appreciation. That would be really great, guys. That will be really great. So up until next time, thank you.